The euro is still in pullback phase at the moment. Obviously, as I say, we had these huge, this massive drop to the downside, big gap in prices to the south after the strong non-farm payrolls last week. And we're just pulling back and retesting that area, really, just consolidation, as I said, the flip side to the Dixie. And look, at the end of the day, the macros continue to support. We're just, you know, going through consolidation pullback phases. Again, US strikes Iran. The things heated up last night. So after the Army Apache helicopter was down during the Strait of Hormuz, then we saw the Central Command in the US hitting Iranian air defense and radar around Strait, and Iran fired back. So a lot of back and forth, tit for tat. But I think the right why we didn't really move aggressively is because this is just focused on military bases, military infrastructure, not civilian. Now, when you look at euro, we're still in this consolidation phase. We spoke about this at the start of the week, didn't I? What did I say about that probability? Obviously, we had this marked up like this, didn't we, in terms of euro price action before we see this? And I think that's potentially what the play is at the moment. So consolidation, moving within a potential flag. I don't expect, as I said, I don't expect commitment until CPI. I said that earlier in the week. That's exactly what we said. Regardless of what, I wouldn't commit to any of this sort of price action above the Asian range today. I think it's possible, should I say, not probable, but it's very possible. Obviously, there's always probability there, of course, everything's probabilities, but that we could come up, if we respect where we're at right now today, this morning, we could come up here, get those equal highs. You see, like we had here, look at this, equal highs before that drop. So it's possible to come up to the equal highs, take out the high of yesterday, the high of the week of Tuesday, before we then come to the downside. I would love to see that. So I will keep an eye on that possibility there. But in terms of specific trade ideas, ongoing analysis, ongoing commentary, beautiful education. Guys, you can get this. You can get this for free with our sponsor, VT Markets. Link in the description of this video or somewhere in this article. Have an amazing, blessed day, traders.